Imagine you're a financial newbie trying to navigate the complex world of investments. You've heard about Stash, the popular investing app that promises to make investing simple and accessible. But one question keeps nagging at you: does Stash have a wallet? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to the heart of the matter, let's quickly understand what a wallet is in the context of cryptocurrency. A wallet is essentially a digital container that stores your cryptocurrency. It's like a digital bank account, but specifically for crypto. Now, back to Stash. While Stash is a fantastic platform for investing in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares, it's not primarily designed as a cryptocurrency wallet. The main point. So, to answer your question directly, no, Stash does not have a built-in wallet for storing cryptocurrency. Explanation. Stash's focus is on traditional investments. They offer a user-friendly interface and educational resources to help you build a diversified portfolio. While they might explore cryptocurrency options in the future as the market evolves, their current core focus remains on stocks and ETFs. Alternative options. If you're looking for a platform that combines traditional investments with cryptocurrency, there are several options available. Some popular choices include Coinbase, known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of cryptocurrencies. Robinhood offers both traditional investments and a growing selection of cryptocurrencies. Webull, another popular option that provides access to stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Additional considerations. While these platforms offer both traditional and crypto investments, it's important to do your own research and choose a platform that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider factors such as fees, security features, and customer support. So, there you have it. Stash is a great platform for traditional investing, but it doesn't have a built-in wallet for storing cryptocurrency. If you're interested in crypto, you'll need to explore other options that specialize in this area. If you're new to investing and want to learn more about Stash or other platforms, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.